Title: Protect what matters most with Ring Alarm, your compact and powerful home security solution. Scene: a cozy living room, filled with laughter and the comfort of a happy family. Narrator: Hi there. Ever feel like something's missing when you leave home? Worried about your loved ones or valuables while you're away? Well, meet Ring Alarm, the perfect companion to keep your world secure. Scene: a transition into a dark room, with only the Ring Alarm kit illuminated. Narrator: This isn't just another security system, it's a peace of mind in a box. With the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit, you get everything you need to safeguard your home, and more. It's designed for the modern household, offering an easy setup process that even tech newbies can handle with ease. Scene: show close-ups of each piece in the kit, explaining their purpose. Narrator: In the box, you'll find a base station, contact sensors, for doors and windows, motion detectors, keypad, range extender, and 5 additional entry sensors. The kit is expandable too, so if you have an extra-large home or need to secure your office, adding more components is a breeze. Scene: demonstration of the simple setup process. Narrator: setting up Ring Alarm takes no time at all. Just connect each device to the base station using the provided power adapters and sync them through the mobile app. In minutes, you'll have a fully functional security system ready to protect your space. Scene: showcase the user-friendly mobile app interface. Narrator: once set up, controlling Ring Alarm is as easy as checking your phone. The mobile app lets you arm and disarm your system, monitor real-time alerts, and even view live video footage from compatible Ring cameras, sold separately. Plus, you can invite family members to manage the security system together, ensuring everyone stays informed and safe. Scene: highlight the 24/7 professional monitoring option. Narrator: to take your home security to the next level, consider opting for professional monitoring. With this feature, trained security experts will respond to alerts and dispatch emergency services if needed, giving you an extra layer of protection that's invaluable. Scene: discuss compatibility with Amazon Alexa. Narrator: if you're already a fan of voice control, Ring Alarm has got you covered. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa-enabled devices, allowing you to arm and disarm your system using simple voice commands. No more fumbling for the keypad in the dark. Scene: share practical tips on how to use Ring Alarm effectively. Narrator: when it comes to using Ring Alarm, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Customize your settings based on your daily routine, for example, arming only certain zones when you go to bed or setting up quiet hours during the night. The possibilities are endless. Scene: emphasize the system's reliability and durability. Narrator: Ring Alarm is built to last, with a sleek design that won't clash with your home decor. Plus, it boasts industry-leading encryption to keep your data safe from intruders. You can rest easy knowing that your investment is secure, both physically and digitally. Scene: final call to action. Narrator: so why wait? Protect what matters most with Ring Alarm. Give yourself the peace of mind you deserve, and invest in a smart home security system that truly works for you. Order your Ring Alarm 14-piece kit today.